Okay guys, I'm going to introduce chapter 5 here. So polymers, monomers. So the word polymer and the word monomer. So the word mer means part. So one part and many parts. So a monomer we might represent as a solid circle here. And then if we have a bunch of those monomers together, and if we attach them together, then we make a polymer. So this is a 4-part polymer. And we'll also talk about things that either connect these or break them down. So in the case of these red lines, we're cutting them, cleaving them. Or in the case of the blue lines, we are connecting them. So we are building these. So in either case, you have, let's start with 2 individual monomers. And we are going to synthesize a bond here. When that bond is synthesized, that requires some parts of this to be, some parts of the reaction to change. So in order for, I'm going to redraw this again. These are called a dehydration because we were taking water. This should be hydrogen, sorry. So a hydrogen here and an OH group here. And those actually leave together. And that allows this bond to form. So when these hydrogens and oxygen groups leave, there's a bit of chemistry here. Not something that we're going to really get into much, but water leaves. That is called dehydration. Synthesis. So we are building a polymer, or at least one chain of a polymer, and we're dehydrating it. The opposite can be true also. So if we have 2 monomers here, and they're bonded together, when those break apart, we have to add water into this so that we have one monomer, the other monomer, and those have a hydrogen on them and an OH group on them. So that's a hydrolysis reaction because it is requiring water to be, for the bond to be broken apart and for these new sort of ends to be put on. That's it for the start of chapter 5.